Okay, so when you get to the Blackboard site, you'll see our course and CRN and all that stuff up here. On the left side, you're going to have a menu that allows you to click and link to different aspects of our Blackboard site. For example, the home page, which is where we're already at. You can see some announcements. You have links to other items as well. If you want to get to the syllabus, just go to the left and you will get to the syllabus, and there is a link that you can click and go directly to the syllabus, and you can see what's going on. You can get all that information. You can also download it because it's a PDF that's opening in Adobe Reader, so you can download over here to the right. Okay, to jump out of that, you can simply close that out, go back. On course content, there is a welcome, giving you a basic hello to the course, as well as below that on course content. Then each week we will break out these modules. For example, week 1, here's week 1 materials. You click on that and you will see a few links. Here's a link to some reading, some highlights. So that's part of week 1 reading. I also already have a couple of video tutorials already loaded here when you go to the left side of the screen.
So now in lesson
There's
2,
somebody talking there. We're going to stop that for a minute. And then all the way to the bottom is actually one of the first items for the forum. And you click on that and you can open up forum for discussion, and you can enter that forum, and there's a thread and you can participate, and we'll be giving you much more guidance on this sort of thing. So again, you can just then click back to course content, and that takes you to the top of that menu, that list, and you see all the different materials for each week. Here's week 2, for example, and I will add on to these things as we go. Sometimes I might say go back to this module, etc., etc. Down here on the very bottom is a Blackboard Collaborate session. You can click on this, and this will give you access to any sessions, any video recordings we've done on Blackboard Collaborate. We may also do some Zoom discussions. At the upper left-hand corner of this page, if you click here, you can see any recordings that exist. So if you hit recordings, you can see that we did a recording here where we covered the big show presentation. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my home page here. And so that is essentially a quick tour of our Blackboard site for this semester.